Hey everyone, and welcome to another video, and today we're taking a look at the Comica CVM-VM10-K2. So this is a video starter kit for smartphones, and what we'll do is take a look at what we actually get in the pack. So opening it up, we can see it comes, as most Comica products tend to do, it comes in a very nice carrying case. Everything's contained within it. Something that I really like of Comica products is the fact that they really think about storage very well. Okay, so opening it up, and we have a few different sections. So first thing we'll take a look at is the tripod. So first impressions is it is all plastic apart from the actual ball section, which seems to be aluminium. Okay, so taking a look at the tripod, it is quite a different design. So it's actually a press in order to adjust, and you can then rotate the actual ball head itself. Okay, so the tripod feet do have little rubber stubs on them. You might be able to see them just there. And the top of the tripod also has some rubber for whatever you're mounting onto it, just to give it some grip so then it doesn't slip off. So popping that to a side, what we also get as part of this kit is a microphone. So this is one of their microphones that I believe this is the exact same model, so it's the CVM-VM10. So I may have already done a video on this exact microphone, so with regards to that, you can go and check that video out. I'll link that in a card in the top right. Shotgun microphone that doesn't need power, so this is something that I have actually used with my A7Siii whenever I'm doing videos just around the house with the kids. So yeah, that is a very nice piece of kit. Right, next we get the actual phone holder and what will also be the cold shoe for the microphone itself. So that will mount on just like that. The tripod will mount to the bottom. Okay, so at the bottom we literally just have a rubber base. So then when you actually mount it, it gives you a nice solid base. So it is a screw type, which, as I've mentioned in previous videos, I prefer this method for actually mounting smartphones, because it enables you to actually grip it around a case as opposed to the ones that actually have a spring that you have to pull. Generally they will actually damage, especially if you need to have, like I do with the leather case, Apple leather case, then it'll end up damaging that. Right, so that's all your main items done, and let's take a look at what else we actually get. So in this bag, I believe, is the actual cable for the Comica microphone. Yes, so this is, as you can see just there, it does say for smartphone, and this is the grey cable. Whenever it has a grey head on the end of it, you know that that's going to be the one for the smartphone. So what you would do is plug the TRS, so the single ring, to the microphone itself, and then the other end of this would go to your phone or whatever device you're using. Obviously the microphone itself you can use with anything. You do also get a dead cat or wind muff. So what we'll do is we'll pop this on. Now my past experience of using Comica dead cats is that they do shed quite a lot. So let's see whether this is the same. Yeah, so straight away you can see that's actually shedding quite a lot of hairs. So I won't actually apply this, but I have also actually done that in the past. So if you want to see what that's like, then you can, as I say, check out the other video, and they'll give you everything you need on that. So yeah, that is all you get. You do also get a Comica card, just proving that this is actually coming from an authorized seller. And then you get some pamphlets and leaflets in terms of the user manual, how to set things up and everything like that. As you've seen in this video, it's all very simple to actually set up. Nothing really that complicated about it. Everything is set at this point, so all you would do is extend this out, put your smartphone in, and then away you go. Obviously, if you're using an iPhone, then because we have Lightning, you will need the Lightning to headphone jack adapter. And I just want to see how wide this actually opens, just to see whether it would actually work with really bulky cases. So yeah, that does actually open up quite a bit. That is the kit set up. Just before I grab a phone and actually put it in there, when you've actually got something mounted onto it, so before I was struggling to actually press the button and get it to actually rotate correctly. Now if you press it, it's actually a lot easier to rotate and you can actually get it level. The one thing that this is lacking is any type of spirit levels. I would have liked it to have had a spirit level, because I for one am quite pedantic in terms of making sure that the video is actually level whenever you're out and about and you've not got access to a tripod or something that you can actually keep set. But yeah, that's one thing that I would have preferred to have seen. In terms of the legs, seems nice and sturdy. The legs themselves don't have loads of resistance, so when they are open and you pick it up, they will kind of fall together. And it does sound a little plasticky, but it's perfectly fine for actually doing a vlog setup where you can just quickly put it into tripod mode and then drop it down just like that. Okay, so here we are back. I now have a phone installed into the actual tripod itself. Obviously, normally what you would also have is your lightning adapter, so then you can actually plug this in and use the audio from the microphone. With this, you can do it either way and actually use your rear facing cameras. You could actually have it this way around, and you also have the option of flipping it around and using your selfie camera as well, just like that. Nice bit of kit. What we'll do is, as always, I'll have links for everything in the description below. I've already got separate videos on the microphone, so if you do want to see those, as I said, links for that are in the top right. Okay, so I will try and do a follow-up video just after a little bit of usage, given my experience in terms of how it actually works. So if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon, that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'd really appreciate if you also give this video a thumbs up. And other than that, thanks very much for watching.